So guys, come with me on a ride. I'm going to show you how you can turn your shea butter, the African shea butter, into this amazing, lovely body lotion. So I will take you on less than 10 minutes journey so that we can make this amazing body butter from shea butter. It's very easy, 1 or 3 ingredients. So let's get started and form this and make this body butter. You need it especially in the winter time, in Hammer season in Africa, to help to soften your hands, your dry feet, your incision site, dark circle around your eyes, and make your entire body, entire skin very soft and very subtle. So if you are interested in following me to making this cream, ride inside the wagon and let's get started on making this amazing body butter. Yes. Guys, please consider clicking on this red button somewhere down below. When you click on the red button, also click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So let's get to making fluffy and frothy shea butter. In this bowl here, I have some shea butter in here, and I put it on a hot double boiler. So this is how you melt your shea butter. So we're going to be making some shea butter body butter. Make it frothy and make it easily to slide on the skin. So I have some here. I didn't measure that. I am going to leave it on top of this double boiler until the shea butter melts. Remember never to melt your shea butter on top inside the microwave. So using double boiler is the best thing for you to do so that it retains all the nutrients and vitamins in this shea butter. So let's wait until the shea butter melts. So when you take it down from the double boiler, now I transfer this into the plastic container because this is how I'll be putting it inside the freezer. Remember, do not melt a shea butter in a plastic container. So you can use any oil of your choice. I will be using some avocado oil. So I'm going to be using about 4, just eyeball. This is about 4 tablespoons of avocado oil. I'll be using this olive oil. It's not 100% olive oil. It is mixed with another kind of oil. I was thinking I have virgin olive oil at home, but this is all I have. So because this is mixed with canola oil, I will only use just a little bit of this oil here. I'll put it in here. A spoon of vegetable glycerine. So I have them in here. And at this time, I will tuck it away inside the freezer. We need to get it solidified again. So let's put it right into the freezer. And I'm gonna let it stay. So I tucked it into the freezer until it gets solidified, maybe half an hour or up to 1 hour. When it gets solidified, we're gonna bring it out again, and we will use the hand blender just to mix it up and bring it to the consistency of the body butter, giving it that frothy look. So let's wait until it gets solidified. So I let this stay in the freezer for about 45 minutes because it's not really a whole lot of quantity. I would love to add this cocoa. This is called cocoa absolute. It is also an essential oil that I really love the benefits of this cocoa absolute. It's going to help this shea butter smell more like hot chocolate. So you can imagine hot chocolate with, not a whole lot of people can really stand the smell of shea butter, but for me, I really don't care. But I just want to add a little bit of essential body oil. It's going to help to relax you and relieve some muscle ache. In some cases, they also use cocoa absolute as aphrodisiac. It also helps to improve elasticity of the skin. So I will put just few drops in here, and I'm going to smoothen it up with the hand blender. Now it has the consistency of the lotion, and I'm going to turn it from here into a jar. Now I am going to turn it into a jar. Look at that. It looks like vanilla ice cream just because I added some cocoa to that, so it really changed the color of the shea butter. So guys, look at this. This consistency will remain like this until the cream is finished. So this is how you turn your shea butter into a daily moisturizer. Remember to use any kind of oil that you want to use, any anti-aging, any vitamin A or vitamin C. Mix it up all together. I will leave all the link to everything that I use to the first comment section, just in case you want to go ahead and grab yourself some of the things like hand blender or any form of oil. So let me leave you guys here. See you later. Bye. Remember to share and subscribe the video. Hola. Bye.